In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize a Discord server. If you're starting from scratch, don't worry. Discord makes the setup process pretty simple, and once you understand the basic layout, it becomes much easier to build a server that looks clean, feels organized, and works well for the people joining it. To begin, open Discord and look at the server list on the left-hand side. At the bottom of that list, click the plus icon. This is where you create a brand new server. Discord will then give you a few options. You can either choose Create My Own if you want full control from the beginning, or you can start with a pre-made template, such as Gaming or Study Group. Templates can be helpful because they give you a ready-made structure, but if you want something fully customized, creating your own is usually the better option. Next, Discord will ask who the server is for. You'll typically choose between something like "for me and my friends" or "for a club or community." This choice helps Discord suggest a layout and settings that fit the kind of space you're building, so pick the option that best matches your goal. After that, give your server a name. Try to choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to invite other people. You'll also have the option to upload a profile picture for the server. This is a nice touch because it makes your server stand out in the sidebar and gives it a more polished identity. Once that's done, click Create, and your blank server will be launched. Now that the server exists, the next step is organizing it with categories and channels. This is one of the most important parts of making your server easy to use. A well-structured server helps people find what they need quickly and keeps conversations from becoming messy. To create categories, right-click in the sidebar and select Create Category. Categories act like folders for your channels, so think of them as the main sections of your server. For example, you might create categories for Welcome, General, Gaming, or Study. The exact names will depend on what kind of community you're building, but the goal is to group similar channels together.